Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on Venmo. First, if you're looking for an inside app instruction, this is not the video for you. I'm sorry. So first, of course, how to withdraw money. We'll need, first of all, to download the Venmo app if you don't have it downloaded. If you do, go and log in into your account or create an account if you don't have any account. Once you do so, and once you're logged in into your accounts, basically, as you can see, we'll follow this article right here. So how to transfer money on Venmo is actually very easy. So you can either, first of all, transfer or request some money. So here, as you can see, quick steps. You'll need to open the Venmo app as example. Of course, you'll find the balance right there. You'll need, first of all, to open your app, wherever you have it, and add the bank or card. So you can, of course, pay from that. Because if you have zero balance, if you already have some balance, of course, you'll be able to do this. But if you don't, make sure to add your bank account. So link your bank account or debit card on your Venmo account. And basically, after that, click on this Me button. As you can see in here, you'll be able to find the transfer button. Once you click on the transfer button, here you will find the amount that you want to transfer. Enter the amount that you want to transfer. As an example, if your Venmo account is unverified, you can withdraw up to $1,000 per week. But if you have confirmed your identity, you can withdraw up to $20,000 per week. So if you want to do it instantly, you'll have to pay 1% fees, which is the maximum is going to be $10. If you trying to transfer more than, I don't know, 10,000, they will not request or get more than $10 fees. But if you want it with no fees, you can just wait from 1 to 3 business days. Then you'll have to select the transfer type. So you have to choose transfer to, like, because not all banks support some instant transfers. Then select the account that you want to transfer to. If you have multiple accounts linked to Venmo, you can tap on next, then transfer to the selected account that you wish to withdraw money to. Of course, if you already linked your card, you can choose that card to send it to. So yeah, then hit the transfer amount after you choose where you want to transfer it to, depending on if you choose instant or waiting 1 to 3 business days, and you should be good to go. That's it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.